Welcome friends. Practice set 2.4. Compare the given quadratic equations to the general form and write values of a, b and c. So first equation is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. या क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपल्याला जे इक्वेशन दिलंय, जे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिलंय, या क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशनला जो जनरल फॉर्म आहे पहा ax स्क्वेअर प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0 या जनरल फॉर्मशी कंपेअर करायचा आहे आणि त्यानंतर आपल्याला a, b आणि c ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आहे. सो फर्स्ट द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then we compare this equation to the general form. So general form of equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After comparing both the equation, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. Here the coefficient of x square is a, that is 1. Coefficient of x is minus 7, means b is equal to minus 7. Coefficient here and the value of c is 5. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. Second equation, 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. Here we write the equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we write the equation 2m square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. Then we compare this equation with general form of equation, that is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After comparing, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 5. Third equation, y is equal to 7y. Here we arrange the equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here we write this equation like this: y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. Then we compare this equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After comparing, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 0. Question number second. Solve using formula. First, x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. So in this question, we have to solve this equation using the formula. So the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. सो या क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपल्याला हे इक्वेशनचे रूट फाइंड करायचे आहेत. त्यासाठी आपल्याला फॉर्म्युलाचा यूज करायचा आहे आणि फॉर्म्युला काय आहे? x इज इक्वल टू मायनस बी प्लस मायनस रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac divided by 2a. So first we compare this equation with general form of equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we get value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. Then we find the value of b square minus 4ac. So here b is equal to 6. So 6 square minus 4ac. 4 into a is 1 and c is 5. So we write 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5 is equal to 6 square is 36 minus 4 into 1 4 and 4 into 5 which is equal to 20. So 36 minus 20. The sign of 4 is minus, so we write minus 20. So 36 minus 20 is equal to 16. So the value of b square minus 4ac is 60. Then we use the formula x is equal to minus n plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So in this formula we put the value of all these terms. So we write x is equal to b is 6. So we write minus 6 here. The value of b square minus 4ac is 6. So we write 16 root 16 by 2 into a. A is 1. So we write 2 into 1. Then we solve minus 6 plus minus 16. So here the root of 16 is 4. So we write here minus 6 plus 4 by 2. So x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 by 2 or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 by. So minus 6 plus 4 is equal to minus 2 and minus 2 by x is equal to minus 2 by 2 or minus 6 minus 4 is equal to minus 10 and minus 10 by 2 x is equal to minus 10 by 2. So after solving the equation x is equal to minus 2 by 2 is minus 1 and x is equal to minus 10 by 2 is minus 5. So x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 5 are the roots of the equation. Minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Second equation is x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. First, we compare this equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After that, we find a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 2. Then we find the value of b square minus 4ac. So the value of b is minus 3. So we write minus 3 square minus 4 into a into c. So a is 1 and c is minus 2. So we write minus 4 into 1 into minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 and minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. So the square of minus 3 is plus 9 and plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 70. Then we write the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then we put the value of all these terms. So we write x is equal to b is minus 3. So minus 3 is equal to plus 3. So we write 3 here. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 17. So we write root 17 by 2 into a. Value of a is 1. So we write 2 into 1. Then after solving is equal to 3 plus root 70. 2 into 1 is 2. So we write 3 plus minus root 17 by 2. Means x is equal to 3 plus root 17 by 2 or x is equal to 3 minus root 17 by 2. So x plus root 17 by 2 and x is equal to x 3 minus 17 by 2 are the roots of the equation. Then third equation is 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. So first we compare this equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Then we find the value of b square minus 4ac. So value of b is 2. So square of 2 minus 4 into a into c. A is 3 and c is equal to minus 7. So we write minus 4 into 3 into minus 7. 3 minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 and minus 12 into minus 7 is plus 84. Square of 2 is 4. So 4 plus 84 is equal to 88. Then we write the formula m is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2 by a. Then we put the value of all this term and we write m is equal to minus 2 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 88. So we write root of 88 by 2 into a. So a is 3. So we write here 2 into 3 is equal to here 88. 80 the factor of 88 is 4 into 22. 4 is a square of 2. So we find the factors such as one factor is square of any other number. So here we find the factor 4 and 22. So we write here in root 4 into 22. So we write minus 2 plus minus root of 4 into 22 by 2 into 3 is 6. Then here we take this 4 outside the root. So root of 4 is 2. So we write minus 2 plus minus 2 root 22 divided by 6. Then we take this 2 outside the bracket and we take this 2 as a common and in bracket we write minus 1 plus minus root 22 by 6. Here we take common as a 2. So in bracket minus 1 plus minus root 26 by 6 is equal to here 2 ones are 2 is 2 and 2 threes are 2 into 3 is 6. So here we get 2 by 6 is 3. So we write minus 1 plus minus root 22 by 3. Okay. Then x is equal to minus 1 plus 22 by 3 or x is equal to minus 1 minus 20 minus root of 22 by 3. So the roots of the equation are minus 1 minus root 22 by 3 and minus 1 plus root of 22 by 3. Next equation is 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. First, we compare this equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After comparing, we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 2. Then we find the value of b square minus 4ac. value of b is minus 4. So the square of 4 is, so we write here minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 5 into c is minus 2. So we write minus 4 into 5 into minus 4. The square of 4 is 16 and minus 4 into 5 is minus 20. Minus 20 into minus 2 is plus 40. Minus minus plus. So 16 plus 40 is equal to 56. Then we write the formula m is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then we put the value of all these terms here. Then m is equal to value of b is minus 4. So minus b is minus minus 4 is equal to plus 4. So we write 4 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 56. So we write root of 56 by 2 into a. A is 5. So we write 2 into 5 here. Then we solve this 4 plus minus 56. So here 56 is factor of 4 into 14. The factor of 56 is 4 into 14. So here we find the factor of 56 such as one number is the square. So 4 is the square of 2. So we write 4 into 14 here. Then 2 into 5 is 10 is equal to 4 plus here we take this root of 4 that is 2 and we write 2 outside the root. Then we write 14 and by 10. So here we take 2 as a common and write outside the bracket. So inside the bracket we write 2 plus minus 14 by 10. So 2 by 10 is 5. 1 by 5. So we write 2 plus minus root of 14 by 5. So m is equal to 2 plus 14, 2 plus root of 14 by 5, or m is equal to 2 minus root of 14 by 5. So the roots of the equation are 2 minus root 14 by 5 and 2 plus root 14 by 5. So equation is y square plus 1 by 3y is equal to, here the coefficient of y is fraction, that is 1 by 3. So to make the equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we multiply the equation by 3. After multiplying by 3, we get equation 3y square plus y is equal to 6, and this 6 come this side, plus 6 get minus 6. So we write equation 3y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Then we compare this equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 6. After that we find the value of b square minus 4ac. b is 1 and 1 square minus 4 into a into c. So a is 3 and c is minus 6. So we write 1 square minus 4 into a, 3 into c minus 6. 1 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 6. 1 square is 1, minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 into minus 6, minus 12 into minus 6 is plus 70, minus minus become plus. So we write 1 plus 72 is equal to 73. Then we write the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then we put the value of all these terms. So x is equal to b is 1. We write minus 1 plus minus value of b square minus 4ac is 73. So we write root of 73 by 2 into a is 3. 2 into 3. Then after solving we get minus 1 plus minus root of 73. 2 into 3 is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. So we write 6. Then we get x is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 by 6, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 by 6. So the roots of this equation are minus 1 plus root of 73 by 6, or minus 1 minus root of 73 by 6. Next equation, 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. So first we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So after that we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 8. Then we find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b is 13. Square of 13 minus 4ac. A is 5 and c is 8. Minus 4 into 5 into 8. Square of 13 is 169. And minus 4 into 5 minus 20 into 8, which is minus 160. So 169 minus 160 is 9. So value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 9. Then we write formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then we put the value of all the terms in this formula. So x is equal to b is 13. So we write minus 13 plus minus value of b square minus 4ac is root 9 by 2 into 5. A is 5, so we write 2 into 5 is equal to minus 13 plus minus the root of 9 is 3. So we write minus 13 plus minus 3, and 2 into 5 is 10. So x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 by 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 by 10. So after solving we get minus 13 plus 3 is minus 10, and minus 10 by 10 is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 by 10. Minus 13 minus 3 is equal to minus 16, and minus 16 by 10 is equal to minus 8 by 5. So value of x are x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 8 by 5. So the roots of the equation are minus 1 and minus 8 by 5. Question third. With the help of the flow chart given below, solve the equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. सो या क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपल्याला एक फ्लो चार्ट दिला आहे आणि आपल्याला फ्लो चार्टचा यूज करून इक्वेशन सॉल्व करायचं आहे. So the equation is x square plus 2 root 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0. So in first block here we compare the equation. So x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Find the value of a, b and c. So first instructions is given, that is compare the equations x square plus 2x 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we compare this equation. After comparing, we have to find value of a, b and c. So first we compare these two equations. After comparing, we get value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 root 3 and c is equal to 3. Then second instruction is find value of b square minus 4ac. The second, we find the value of b square minus 4ac. So we put the value of b 2 root 3 bracket square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 3. So we write 4 into 1 into 3. 2 root 3 bracket square minus 4 into 1 into 3, 4 into 1 into 3. So root of 2 root 3 is 12. Square of 2 is 4 and square of root 3 is 3. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12 and minus 4 into 1 minus 4 and minus 4 into 3 minus 12. So minus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. Then write the formula to solve quadratic equation. So here the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then substitute values of a, b and c and find the root. Then we substitute the value of a, b and c in this formula. So here x is equal to b is b is 2 root 3 and minus b means minus 2 root 3. Value of b square minus 4ac is 0. So root of 0 is also 0. So we write only value of minus b and by 2a is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So we write x is equal to minus 2 root 3 by 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2 root 3 by 2. After solving, minus 2 and minus 2 means 1. Minus 2 by 2 is 1 and we write minus root 3. So the value of x is equal to minus root 3. And this is the quadratic equation. So there are two values of, there are two roots. So both the roots have same value. So x of x is equal to minus root 3 and minus root 3. Minus root 3 and minus root 3 are the roots of the equation.